Hello everyone, so today we will look at our question 41 and 42. So why I put here, because 41 and 42 is very similar. So now firstly let's look at 41. So we pick 5 digits from 3 zeros and 4 ones and 5 twos. So actually we have a 5-digit number. Let's name it ABCDE. Okay, so 5-digit number. And so let's forget that for the first digit, okay, not the first digit, from left to right, the first digit, A. So how many choice for A? Actually, we cannot choose 0, so we can only choose 1 and 2. So for B, we can have 3 choice, 2, 1, and 0. And for C, also 3. And for D, also 3 choice. And for E, also 3 choice. So actually, we have in total 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 equals to 162 choice. But remember, we only have 3 zeros and 4 ones and 5 twos. So actually, including these numbers, some we cannot choose, right? So for example, this 1 0 0 0 0 and 2 4 0 and 5 1, because we only have 4 1 and 3 0, right? So these 3 numbers we cannot choose from the 162 numbers. So actually we should minus these 3, exclude these 3 numbers. So in total we'll have 162 minus 3 equals to 159. This one is very easy. So now let's look at the 42. So for 42, we can only use 0, 1, and 2 to form a 5-digit number, and each number to appear at least once. So firstly, let's look at A equals to 1, because A can only equals to 1 and 2. So we should separate. So firstly, let's set A equals to 1. So we have, and we should make sure at least the ones we choose 0, 1, and 2. So which 2 number we not choose? 0 and 2. So after that, I can randomly choose, right? Because I have already meet this requirement. So how many choice can we have? We have 0 0, 1 1, 2 2, and 1 2, 0 2, 1 2. This is 6 choice. So now let's figure out in each choice how many types of situation can we have. So for 0 0, we have 0 0, 1 0 2. So you only to make sure this 2 place. So for 2, where I can have B, C, D, we have how many choice? We have 4 choice. I can put 2 on the last 4 digit. Anyway, it's okay. So we have 4 choice. So at the same time for about 2 2. So only we need to make sure about 0's place. So we have 4. So how about 0 2? You see 0 2 0 2 repeat. So about 0 2, how many choice? It's like the shaking hands problem. And we need to use the permutation. So actually we have 4 times 3 and divide by 2 equals to 6. So you just pick 0's place, and remember 2 0 just a repeat. So that's why we divide by 2. Now let's look at 1 1. So where I can put 1 1. This one is a permutation problem, and actually we have 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial. So you just choose 1's place. How many choice? 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and divide by 2 times 1 because of the repeat. So this one, we have 12 choice. And for 1 2, also 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial, we have 12 choice. And for 1 0, also 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial equals 12. We have 12 choice. So in total, how many? We have 4 plus 4 plus 6 plus 12 plus 12 and plus 12. Actually, we have 50 choice. But remember, that's the situation about A equals to 1. So if A not equals to 1, A equals to 2, it's the same. So 2 times 4 plus 4 plus 6 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 equals to 100. So in total, we have 100 ways.